Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. This question here, fill in the blanks. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 18 units and its breadth is decreased by 9 units, then the area of rectangle is increased by 45 square units. However, if we decrease the length by 9 units and increase breadth by 4 units, its area is decreased by 180 square units. The length and breadth of the rectangle is dash units and dash units respectively. So to start with, let length of rectangle be x units and breadth be y units. Therefore, area therefore area of this rectangle will be xy square units. Now length is increased by 18 units and breadth is decreased by 9 units. So case 1 is x plus 18, length is equal to x plus 18, length equal to x plus 18 units, and breadth equal to breadth is decreased by 9, so y minus 9 units. Therefore area will be x plus 18 multiplied by y minus 9. Let's do the polynomial multiplication. We have xy plus 18y minus 9x minus 9x minus 18 into 9. This. Now when we do this modification on length and breadth, we get area increased by 45 square units. So this area is equal to xy plus 18y minus 9x minus 18 into 9. This is equal to xy plus 45. So xy get cancelled from both sides and we have 45 we can write as 9 multiplied by 5. So we have, let's say, 18y minus 9x minus 18 into 9 equal to 9 into 5. So if we take this, so we'll take this 9 multiplied by 5 over to left hand side, so that will subtract. So we have 9 multiplied by minus 18 minus 5, which is equal to, let's see, 18y minus 9x minus 9 multiplied by 23. So we have that equal to 0. Let's name it equation 1. Equation 1. Or let's reduce it first. Let's see. We have we can divide entire equation by 9. So we have 2y minus x minus 23 equal to 0, and now we can name it as equation 1. Let's see. Now from case 2 what we get? Case 2 we get length equal to, length is decreased by 9 units. So x minus 9, and breadth is increased by 4 units. So y plus 4. So area will be, therefore this is area. So we get area equal to x minus 9 y plus 4. This again will do polynomial multiplication. We get xy plus 4x minus 9y minus 9 multiplied by 4, and this square units. Now it is given by doing this modification, the area is decreased by 180 square units. So we have, let's see, xy plus 4x minus 9y minus 9 multiplied by 4 equal to xy minus 180. This again we can cancel xy from both sides and write 180 as 9 multiplied by 20. So we get 4x minus 9y minus 9 multiplied by 4 equal to 9 minus of 9 multiplied by 20. So what we can do, we can take this over to left hand side, and since this is negative, this will add over to left hand side. So we have 4x minus 9y minus 9 into 4 plus 9 into 20. So if we take common, 9 common out, we get 20 minus 4, which is 9 multiplied by 16 equal to 0. Let's name it equation 2. Now we have 2y minus x minus 23 here equal to 0 and this here. So to eliminate x, what we will do, will simply multiply equation 1 by 4. So let's do this. Multiply equation 1 by 4, we get 4y, no, 4 multiplied by 2y is 8y minus 4x minus 23 multiplied by 4 equal to 0. Multiplied by 4 equal to 0, and let's call this equation 3. So if we look at this, we can eliminate 4x from both equation 2 and 3 by adding equation 2 and 3. What we get, 8y minus 4x minus 23 by multiplied by 4 plus 4x minus 9y plus 9 multiplied by 16 equal to 0 plus 0 is 0. So 4x get cancelled out. 8y minus 9y is minus y, and 9 into 16 can be written as 9 fours are 36 into 4. So we get minus 23 multiplied by 4 plus 36 multiplied by 4 equal to 0. So what we have, minus y multiplied by, minus y minus, no, plus 4 will be common out. We have 36 minus 23 here equal to 0. So 36 minus 23 is 13. So we have, let's say, y equal to 13 multiplied by 4. So y equal to 52 units that we have. And to find x, we'll simply put in equation 1. Putting this value in 1, we had equation 1 as 2y into 52 minus x minus 23 equal to 0. So what we have, this gives x equal to 2 into 52 minus 23. So 2 into 52 is 104 minus 23 is 81. So we get value of x as 81 units. So y is 52 units, x is 81 units. Therefore, x equal to length equal to 81 units and y equal to breadth equal to 52 units. This is the answer.